Back down here on the bayou, Grand Bayou Village, Port Sulphur, Louisiana. It's showing you this metal roof. Poor people, their house was almost destroyed and several hurricanes put a readily available kind of cheap metal roof on years ago. Hurricane Ida ripped it apart. They had a lot of leaking, damaged the metal. So we took this off, put a whole new 5/8 plywood deck down, covered it with full peel and stick self-adhered ice and water shield, and put a brand new residential R panel screwed down, 26 gauge. Got the ridges to do yet, but this will give them a very resilient, long-term roof. Won't leak, especially with the second layer of ice and water shield underneath. Extreme weather here had to give these people a very durable roof. Looking good so far. We'll get you some fun